What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making some more concrete here, working on my big concrete project, and we're going to be making pad number 7. The final pad is going to be 32 by 21. I'm halfway done right now, so just got 6 left to go. Knocking out number 7 today. Been using my Harbor Freight mixer to do all this, and it's been doing a really good job, holding up well. Hopefully I make it through this project without it dying on me, but I think I did the math, and I think the concrete that I'm standing on weighs like 27,000 pounds, somewhere around there. So that's how much I've mixed through this mixer already, plus the pad that I did for my shed. I'd say I definitely got my money's worth out of that mixer there. Today's pad, all of this base is really nice and pretty even, so this pad is pretty much an even 6 inches all the way through. So I just have wire mesh in here, got my rebar coming out of the pad, then I got one long piece of rebar just just for this edge over here. I think I'm going to be able to do this pad the fastest. I'm gonna try to do this one the fastest at least, and see how fast I can get it done. So I'm gonna work pretty hard today, because for these pads, like the ones on the edge end over here towards this hill, I need to make the least amount of concrete compared to these ones right here. So I got my 6 bags of Portland, ton of 2B limestone gravel, and a ton of highway sand. It's coarse highway sand, and I have a little bit of extra Portland if I need it, another bucket. But if everything goes to plan, I work really hard, should be able to get this done in 2 hours, so we'll see. Got a really nice setup here, don't have to move the concrete very far. It is officially 10:43. We'll just call it 10:45. Let's get going. 106. Not bad. Alright guys, it's been a little bit. I already cleaned up the edges on my forms pretty good, the top of it, and then I hit it one time with my steel trowel. So I'm going to do the same thing again here. It's been about an hour and a half since I was done. If you touch it, my finger, I can't push too far in. It's starting to firm up. I can put my smooth finish on. Alright, now I'll come back one more time and put the final smooth finish on. Alright guys, it's the next day. Let's take a look at what we got. So pad number 7, officially in the books. I actually took the forms off yesterday evening just because I was in a hurry and I actually messed up my one corner a little bit. But no worries, this is the edge that I don't care about. Turned out really nice. Got some nice edges. You can see I just put my form board there just to see where the last pad is going to be. So it's going to work nice. I'm not going to have to do too much more digging to get the pad done at least. I do have to do more digging, but I'm going to do that after all this concrete is done. So the plan is going to be do this one next, and then I can just fill in this center one. I won't need any form on this side or that side. I'll just need to put one board down there. And if you guys have been following along from the start, the original pad that I did, somehow it got out of square and I didn't catch it. So I've been making it up as I go. So now that corner over there is perfectly square. And once I have this pad done, this stake right here, this will be perfectly square. Really just worried about this outer edge. Some of the lines in the middle there, some of the lines for the pads aren't like perfectly straight or anything. And that's from me making up a little bit as I went along here to try to get this guy all squared out. So that front face is pretty much perfectly straight, and this guy is going to be pretty much perfectly straight. That one over there is a little bit off, but these last three pads will be real easy to do just because all this will be nice and perfectly square again. You can see I used the extra gravel that I had to just kind of level this out, so I don't really need too much more fill here. Yeah, so now when I do this pad next, I don't have to make as much concrete. That pad over there, I ended up using almost 6 bags. So I used 5 full bags and then a full bucket that I had left over, just so I didn't have to open a new bag. I just used the bucket that I had left over from one of the other ones, but basically used 6 bags for that pad right there. Coming along really nice, guys. I could definitely park a vehicle on here now. Once I get this pad done, I'll have a lot of motivation to finish a center pad, and then just 3 more, guys. Been a lot of work. Amazing how far I've come already. Just to have a nice walkable pad. I don't know if you guys have watched the video of me breaking up the pad that was here, but you could check it out. It's in the garage playlist, but it's just so nice to have a really nice concrete base here, concrete pad. Can't wait to actually get some use out of it. We're one step further. Obviously I need to do some work here and get this grass out and everything. Hope you enjoyed this video. Getting this done one pad at a time. Definitely a lot of work. It's definitely a little tedious. I won't lie, I can't wait to be done with this, but I also can't wait to use it when I'm done. That's gonna be all for today. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on the future videos and finishing this project. And do me a big favor and drop a big thumbs up down below. I really appreciate it and helps the video reach a wider audience. Hope you have a great day. Peace.